Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change the DPI settings on Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, first you want to go into your settings, and now you want to go into the display and brightness, and finally head into... I actually lost it. Font settings, yep. Now the font itself isn't actually going to change the display, but it will give you the illusion of changing it. You can bump it up like this, and you can even change the font and make it bolder. And now everything should be bigger. As you can see, this also kind of works. Now, if we want to actually change it once again, we can do that, but not in the font settings, but instead, let's go into additional settings, accessibility, and now let's go into vision. And you will see we have a display size here, currently being set to S. We can lower it down, or we can make an L, and it makes everything slightly bigger. And finally we can go into magnification to actually zoom the screen off, but it will actually mean something like this, and it won't really change the display size itself, it will only let us zoom. And let's maybe remove it from here, because it can be pretty annoying. And finally, we actually have everything. We can make it something as big as this. So as you can see, now everything is really big, or we can make it everything really small by changing the display size and changing back the font to be very small and thin in the display and brightness. So let's make it thin and let's make it small. And I believe this is the smallest way that you can go. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.